5 reasons you need post-construction cleaning services. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello and welcome to a new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Are you planning to move into your newly built or renovated home or office? Here are some of the reasons you need post-construction cleaning services. Cleaning a newly constructed home or office is a lot different from the usual cleaning you do weekly or monthly. It requires a lot more work, hence, it's not something you want to do alone, or have inexperienced hands do it for you. Even though it is going to cost you some money, these 5 reasons you need post-construction cleaning services will convince you. And as usual, you get a bonus tip at the end. We're sure you don't want to miss that. Stay glued. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. Number 1. Proper waste disposal. A lot of waste is gathered from construction works. And this is often left in the trash, which will eventually contribute to the wastes in the landfill that may take a long time to biodegrade, or never biodegrade. However, most of these cleaning agencies are eco-conscious and know where and how to dispose of waste. They know better than to throw plastics into landfills that would eventually cause problems for us rather than taking them up for recycling. Number 2. Safety. Constructing a building requires the use of sharp objects. Doing the cleaning yourself, or with inexperienced people, exposes you to the danger of getting hurt by these sharp objects. Even dust can pose a threat to your health. Cleaning agencies that offer post-construction cleaning services have the right safety equipment like safety boots, helmets, gloves, and face masks to protect themselves from not just these sharp objects, but also dust and debris. Also, they know the right safety precaution to take while cleaning a newly constructed building. Number 3. Reduces stress. Be it your home or office that is just newly constructed, you have a lot to worry about already. Moving to a new place can be draining because you have a lot to put in place. Adding the burden of cleaning to all of these is the last thing you want to do. Instead, we recommend you hire a professional cleaning company to handle the cleaning task. This goes a long way to relieve you a lot of stress and allows you to focus on other aspects associated with the move. Number 4. Use of proper cleaning agents and tools. More often than not, people tend to use just any cleaning products they lay their hands on. And some of these products are packed with harmful chemicals that may not only cause damage to the floors and furniture, but also to your health. An expert knows the right cleaning products and tools to use that wouldn't incur damage to the building and valuables, if present. Number 5. Urgency. Time factor is just another vital reason to hire post-construction cleaning services. It is sure going to take some time if you choose to ditch professionals, because besides the fact that you are not an expert, you absolutely cannot be fast by doing it alone. Definitely not with the other things you have to put in place in trying to get the place all set up. Cleaning agencies, like FastKlean, have enough workers that can put hands together and leave your building sparkling in no time. Here is your bonus tip. Thorough cleaning. Everyone is going to be happy with a clean and sparkling home or office. And there's absolutely no way you can do that better than a professional. They know hidden places to look out for that you may never notice. You don't want to end up noticing a mess in some areas after you've moved in. Experts will give a thorough clean that will leave you satisfied and happy. A lot of things may go wrong if you try to boycott professionals when it comes to post-construction cleaning services. You may end up spending more than the money you initially didn't want to spend on hiring a professional. Don't hesitate to contact FastKlean right away. We are here to help. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.